Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if you cannot find certain like um, actions and emotes in Heartopia. So here's what you can buy. You can buy it from Annie, but for instance, you can't find the wishing one and the rainbow emote. Here I'll show you what I mean. So if I go here, you can't find, for instance, this one, or you cannot find this one here. So I got both of them from Doris. So for the rainbow one, you can get it in a few hours actually, well tomorrow. There's going to be rainbow weather and you can purchase that from Doris. As for the like wishing action, you'll need to wait for a meteor shower and then you can buy this action. And I think those are the actions and emotes that you can buy outside of Annie. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.